From the 23rd of May 2023 till date, the leader of the VPP, Ardent M Basaiawmoit, has been continuing with his indefinite hunger strike at the parking lot of the Additional Secretariat, Shillong, to pressure the government into reviewing of the state's Reservation Policy. As throngs of people line up to meet the VPP leader and show support to him, several political party leaders had also visited him to show solidarity to his cause of fighting for the welfare of the masses, especially of the younger generation. The independent MDC of Nong Thamai, Lateplang Kharkongor, who had also paid a visit to Ardent Basaiawmoit today, spoke about the urgency of a review of reservation policy, which he feels is a matter of concern for the future of the youth of Meghalaya. At the same time, Kharkongor lamented that while the Garo people have been allotted 40% job reservation, it is however unfair for both Khasi and Jaintia communities to be collectively allotted only 40% reservation, even as they form a major part of the population in the state.
Ngawan ni ban I'm sim ya ibadet pati baro ini dia beli sebentar ni iwan ban sim cuba tai aja beli iwan bisa tapi sini mat ke government ban ngam kini di beberapa parti mau kamtam gil parti sajing saya kali sim minister begini nomor bagi kar kini ke respons sampai dah kali sim kaya ini ke kam nomor kini di kam kami juga future juga menuju kamtam pun sama nomor kani di niya pakhar na kaya kalong totally illegal marba kani kita office of member nam kami ay nakano no katay ka reservation nam ta official reservation mali no governor kumasan governor kata kari ko tingi daw kam review ini reservation tingi mala review kalong Shillong kalong partial na Shillong mang domong mata 40% you go 40% ni kami half sure ini sih kalong masih tangi population kandai la khat saw kata kari But common review no, mari Shillong warit lu lang kaju kapaha, ke buat kebahagiaan kamu nggak, tadi.